Hello, this is Vance, and this is Sunday, January 21st, 2018. And this is just a recap from Friday, which was the 19th. And so I wanted to really talk about Friday's trades. It really wasn't a lot. I mean, what I wanted to really highlight, two things. Number one is that the overnight, oops, don't move this back over here. We had this kind of this rundown overnight. I switched over to the March contract. So prices moved down from the overnight, dipped down below $63, rotated back up to $63.60, then came back down just prior to the open at $8.56. This is where prices opened. So you can see that it was really kind of a big range. And as a result, because I saw support down in this area, I was looking at a place to enter, going long, perhaps retesting this area right here, which transpired right about 9 o'clock. Moved sideways, and this really kind of presented with a second entry long. If you take a look at it, price came down to here, pulls back, second entry. Now, a little bit fuzzy, but I wanted to see, you saw this move up here, and so I figured it was going to be at least this move, and it went up, actually went to 30 ticks, pulled over, and rotated back down. Now, later on in the day, around 10:30, kind of prices came back down again. Could have gotten in here because this was a kind of a rapid decline, and then it was really kind of sideways. So you had, anytime prices maybe retested in this area, you could perhaps have gone long, but it became really kind of a tight range. You can see this back and forth is less than 15 ticks, or right at 15 ticks until 11:30, and then kind of moved up and then moved sideways for the rest of the day. So there wasn't really a lot going on. By Friday, I was out. By Friday afternoon, I was gone. I mean, actually, this was really the only trade. This is not really the only trade. This was the only trade I took on Friday, and so there wasn't anything else. I wasn't looking at this. And once price kind of moved sideways here, and once I was in it for quite a while. In fact, my runner got taken out right at this area. So I was in this trade from about 9 o'clock till about almost 10:30. And then when price turned over here, I wasn't looking at getting any longer. I was pretty much finished for the day. I had some other things to do anyway, so that was it. But I took a snap of it. Yeah, let me see if I got it. I don't know if I've got it someplace here. You can see 63.16 right at that area. Price moved up and is at 43. Came back and took me out. It rotated up, came back and took me at 43. So I really only got that second contract. And I moved this contract up a little bit higher because I was hoping that it was going to go up this far. 58 ticks as opposed to 45. It didn't really reach that high. I didn't get the 45 ticks and came back and took me out. So that was kind of the shot of that one. Anyway, that was it for Friday. Again, moved over for the new contracts, and that was pretty much it. Anyway, this is Sunday night, and I'll look forward to what's going to happen tomorrow, Monday morning. I've got a few things to do tomorrow too, so I don't know if I'll see what happens first thing in the morning, see if there's anything that sets up. If it does, and I have some time, I might wait for the morning, but I've got a couple of appointments tomorrow afternoon, so I might not really be too active tomorrow morning. I'll see how I'll see how the market looks, and then I'll decide at that point in time. But right now, we're just trading in a pretty narrow band here, 63.54 down to 63.24, so a really 30 tick range in here. So, right on 30 ticks. I mean, where price is open and turned over. So, and wait to see what happens in the morning. So, just a quick update. Just want to kind of let everybody know that I switched over to the contracts and looking forward to tomorrow. So this is Vance. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.